Hi, good afternoon. This is Wags, Chicago. Today is April 30th of the year 21. And this is going to be daily updates on the fighter jets and U.S. military all over the United States. So I'm going to concentrate in shorter videos just so you can get a quick update. This is Wichita Falls, Kansas area. Right, Wichita Falls. And check this out. We got new names today. Void, Yo-Yo, couple Yo-Yos, Chow. Well, that might be a real airline. Hang on. Anyways, the first two I want to see. One, you can see they're running all kinds of, doohickey maneuvers. But look at these guys running a four-man formation, or two in the front, two in the back. That's Pulsar 1, Pulsar 2, Pulsar 3, and Pulsar 4. Those are new names, so they got some new pilots here. Yeah, this is just normal, right? Here's Blade. We've seen that one before. Snake 32, 32666. Yeah, they love their dark arts, these pricks. All right, you guys are funny. Kent 34. Who else is around here? What we got down here? Oh, Dozier. What do we got here? Dozier 71. Kent 33. Lucky 33. 333 again. Jute 27. That's cool. Ripper 1. Blade. Ripper 1 over there. There's two Ripper 1s. Ripper 1 here and a Ripper 1 there. You wonder if they're playing with the radar. Nah. Yeah. Oh, there's Skull 81. Skull 81 was a fighter jet icon the other day. Now it's a regular prop plane. Yeah, I don't think so. Here comes the Void brothers. Void 1 or Void 52, 51. No call sign again. Yo, we saw that. Chaos. I like Chaos. You guys are a trip, man. I wonder what the Russian and Chinese jets are called, because I have a feeling that's what they're practicing for. I'm just saying, that's a feeling. I don't know, because I sure as hell hope this ain't for us. But it might be. Or not. But they all secret squirrel shit. Normally, when they're doing this, they'll have a press release. Yeah, we'll be doing from 4 days. We got an air show coming up. This is air show traffic, maybe. Right? Maybe they're doing air shows all over the country. That looks creepy to me. Heading to the mountains again. A lot of this is around mountainous areas. Oh, he's hanging a quick right. Let's see what he's doing there. He's spinning off from the crowd. It's like a flock of birds. Yeah, they're all turning. Two of them are turning. Two are going straight. Huh. Pulsar. I wonder if that has anything to do with EMF. That'd be funny. Because the internet sure is acting weird the last 2 days. Very, very slow for a lot of people I've talked to. So another one hanging a quick right turn. Those look like the sharp right turns we were seeing by O'Hare the other day. Yeah, not weird at all. Not weird at all. Let me just show you real quick, but I won't go into it deep on this video. They're all over the place again. And that doesn't include all the unmarked non-fighter jet looking things all over the country that we were talking about already. Dozier there. Let's see. Let me go down south here to where are we going? I'll put it in the next video. They're still in 3 cities, so I'll be back. This is gonna get too long. Just want to give you a quick update. They're still up, wheels up. Unknown why. Unknown why. But I've been watching these maps for years, and you've never seen this before. That's all I'm saying. This is Way Chicago. Have a great day.